Hey everyone! So I've pulled a card for you all out there today with the focus being on Mother's Day. And I asked the question how you can have an amazing Mother's Day and what you need to do that. And the Nine of Cups came through. So it's all about what do you want? Like you can have whatever kind of Mother's Day that you want. It's up to you. How do you want it to be? How do you want to be treated? How do you want to be spoiled? What do you want the day to look like? What do you want to do for the day? Set a little intention with me now that you are going to have the most amazing Mother's Day you have ever had in your whole entire life today. Okay, so let me know in the comments below, what kind of Mother's Day do you want? Let's set the intention of you creating the most amazing Mother's Day. Because like I said, this card's saying you can have whatever you want. Like there's so many choices here. This is your life. This is your Mother's Day. How do you want it to be? Let me know in the comments. Let's declare it to the universe of how you want to create it. All right. So like I said, you can have whatever you want. What do you want? Ask yourself today, what do I want my Mother's Day to look like and feel like? And if you like this video, make sure you like it so I know to bring you more readings like this. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do. And I hope you all have an amazing Mother's Day out there. Happy Mother's Day to you all. Sending you all the love and blessings and, wishing you the best Mother's Day ever. See you later.